Here I am at the Dollar Tree over by my mom, and I thought I can't leave this store without going through the crafters section, guys. So let's go. Let's take a walk and let's see what they have. So they stocked up on the beads. Now, we didn't have these beads for the longest time. I grabbed a bunch of them at the last location, so I don't need any. I'm just showing you. Sometimes I think it's better you get a better buy with the size beads that you like if you order these online, guys. That might be better because these come in multiple colors and then they come in different sizes. And then they have the metallic beads, and then you have the metallic different colors. So you have the silver, and then you have the different colors, and you have the gold down here. Then you have the star beads. You see that, guys? Then you have these beads, and I'm loving the pearls, but I don't use these tinier sizes. But if you guys do, it's 135 piece. Okay, and you get them in the ivory and in the white. Then you have these crafters, the glass beads, and I don't work with these beads, so I'm just showing you. Now you have the alphabet ones, and then down here you have these wooden round ones. Okay, those are nice. And here's the square ones, guys. Okay, now here they have like the felt, the foam, I don't know, like the different shapes, the hearts, and they have different shapes in this bag here. But then you have the felt letters, or numbers, well, numbers and letters, and those come in black, white, red, blue. I mean, that is really nice, guys. Then you have the green gems over there in the pink. Then you have these kind of beads right here in this shape. Then you have the foam beads right here. Then you have the washi tape. So you have that style, and then you have that style, this one, and this one. And the clothespins, I'm seeing two sizes in this store. The tiny ones, and then you have those medium-sized ones, and then you have the wooden cubes, and then you have the magnetic buttons. So down here you have these foam sheets, guys. You get 32 of them, and then you have the fastener dots. Okay, they have some boxes out, guys, because they're still stocking. Those are the googly eyes, and here are the tags. So I think we've seen that at the other Dollar Tree. I'm just showing you at this location what they have. The double-sided tape. You have the pop dot adhesives. Then you have the detailing scissors. I'm getting ready to try that for a DIY. And these mini glass containers, I think you get 7 for $1. I think those are a good buy. Then you have the metallic pens. They don't have all the colors, but they have some. They have the gold, the silver. Here they have the blue. And here they have like the rose gold. And I don't know, that's like a darker pink. And here's the mini glass jars, guys. You get 6 in those. So then you have the embossing stylus right here. And then you have the palette knife set. And this is the glue and the residue eraser. I haven't tried that yet, so I'd like to try that to see if that works good. And the piercing and scoring tool set. So you have a little bit of glitter here, and we have the, this is a nice color, purple, so I think I'm gonna try that. And then they have this green and this peridot color. I love this peridot color. Okay. And then you have these boxes right here, the crafting boxes, the popsicle sticks, and then you have some of these beads in colors. Isn't that pretty, guys? Those are really pretty. They have the purple, the green, and I think I see pink. Now, every time I see, these are the smaller glue sticks, but whenever I see the bigger ones, guys, I'm grabbing them because I'm really liking them. I think that's a good buy. So I'm gonna grab some of these. And then over here you have your felt sheets, your felt squares, the rolls, and those are really nice. Okay, let's see what else they have, guys. So here they have some panels, some art panels, and then they have these square ones, but they pretty much tore that up. And here you have the different paints by Prang. And then you have the finger paint over here. And then you have some acrylic paint there and some finger paint palettes there. The glitter glues in these colors, guys. You have the foam roller and the foam brushes. And here you have the chalkboard writers in these colors. Isn't that nice, guys? Then you have the stencil brush and the chunky brush and the metal brush and the multi-pack over there, and some more paint over here. Now down here you have the wooden figures, which is really nice for crafting with kids, guys. And then you have some of these wooden, so they have the the laser cut boxes. And then you have these, is the pineapple, the apple. Here's the crown. And here's the castle, guys. I'm absolutely loving the castle. Isn't that nice? And there's some palettes. And then here you have home, relax, love, and peace. See that? Those are really nice. And then you have the crosses on the bottom. What do you call these? What are they calling them? The hanging decor. These make nice ornaments. They're very thick though, but they make nice ornaments. You have the cross, you have this shape here, which I like, and then you have the star. That's what they have here because a lot of the stuff is gone. Then you have the chalkboard stand. This one is like the easel-like, and this is the hanging one, guys. Here's the easel in the white and in the black, and then you have the flower, and this says, nobody seems to grab this one here that says cute. That's so funny. Okay, so then you have some of these stickers. Let me just show you. Some of them are rub-ons, like these right here, regular stickers. These right here, rub-ons. Okay. Then these are assorted stickers right here with this letter writing, if you like that font. They have these, and then they have these, guys. So, then they have this stencil. I'm sorry about the noise, guys. Then they have these stickers. These pop-up stickers right here, and then they have these letters. These letters are really nice. And then they have this one, this one, this one. Oh, look how pretty that one is. Then they have that one. Okay, so then they have some of these. These stickers are so pretty, guys, aren't they? Look at that. Then they have this one, and they have this one. I like that one. And then, I don't know, they seem to fill in these craft dolls with some flowers. So at least they still have some of these purple ones. I like the purple ones. And they have those open roses up there. Okay, guys. Thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to check out the little crafter section by my mom. And I will see you guys in another video.